you getting your hair cut? Wee, yes. You're doing so good.
Okay. Take a look, Mama. See if you would prefer any one part or anything to be shorter.
Maybe on the sides a little bit by the ears.
I sure can.
You boogieing? It's kind of hard to cut your hair when you're dancing. What's uh-oh? Wee.
Okay.